So today we are going to upgrade a MacBook. Just kidding. It's a HP laptop with a Apple sticker on it. So we are going to upgrade this laptop with a 250 GB SSD. Right now this is working on a hard disk, 1 TB hard disk, and right now the turn on time is around 40 seconds, and after refreshing the screen it takes around 50 seconds. So I mean, to use the laptop it takes around 50 seconds. If we turn on off the laptop, so the whole cycle takes around 1 minute 20 seconds. So this was the current performance of this laptop. And so let's see, let's open the laptop. Meantime, let me introduce myself. This is Caddy, and you are already watching Caddy channel. And so this is the DVD writer which we are going to replace with the Caddy. I will just show you what is a Caddy, and definitely I'm going to give all the links, whatever devices which I am going to use in this laptop to upgrade this. So let me just open it. Meantime, just remember couple of points, like before you are going to do this, make sure you have a pen drive with a Windows or Ubuntu. I mean, you should have a bootable pen drive, basically whatever OS you like. If you like Ubuntu or you like Windows, then just make it a bootable pen drive. Be careful with this while interlocking this laptop cover, back cover, with the main body. This is a critical part. I've already uploaded one video how to increase the RAM. You can check in my bio, or you can check in my channel. There is already one video, and there I have explained it in detail how to unlock this and how to increase the RAM of this particular laptop. So this is how it looks. You see the value select RAM, that is the RAM which I have added, and the video is already in my channel. So at the right corner you see there is a cooling fan. Then this the copper pipe is just for cooling purpose. This is the hard disk which we are going to replace with the SSD. These are the ports. Just right now I'm touching, but make sure you don't touch anything else, because that might create a problem for you. So this is the place you see this port. Basically this port is connected with the DVD writer, and now once we will receive a Caddy is basically a dummy kind of DVD writer, but it will store the hard disk. Basically we are going to remove the hard disk, insert inside the Caddy, and that Caddy will be placed here. The DVD writer will be no longer in use, so you can sell it on OLX or Quicker, whatever you like. So while purchasing the Caddy, you have to make sure that you are buying the Caddy with this connector only. I think there are 2 or 3 types of Caddies available in the market, so you have to check the size and all, and make sure the connector is like this only. You see the upper portion was small, and below there was a big portion in this particular port. See, this is the DVD writer which we are going to remove. So you see the connection type of this DVD writer. This is the connection where we are going to put the SSD, and Let's just clean this looks really dirty. So I am using a blower, uh, soft blower basically. On cool air I am just cleaning out. So first let's go and order the Caddy. You have to take the measurement of your optical drive or the DVD drive. So right now, so I have ordered this from amazon.in. It cost me around 2365 rupees, I believe. Okay, and it will be around 27 $28. Meanwhile, let's, oh, updating. Yeah, so this is the speed right now. This is the Caddy which I ordered. You see there is a blank space here where it is almost, basically it is identical with the DVD drive, you see. We have to do some changes, like we have to remove this plastic and the back panel and tie it on the Caddy so that it could be fixed in the laptop. This is the SSD which I ordered, BX500 from Crucial. It is a 250 gigabytes of SSD. So there are two ways. Either I can insert this SSD inside this Caddy and attach to the laptop in the SATA port, I mean in the DVD writer port, but that will not give me the expected speed. Like it will reduce the speed of the SSD. So I'm not going to do that. Instead, what I'm going to do is I will just remove the hard disk and I will insert the hard disk inside the Caddy, and in the place of hard disk I'm going to insert the SSD. So basically in short, I'm going to replace the hard disk with the SSD, and hard disk will be placed at the place of DVD writer. So make sure at the time of unscrewing this, uh, be careful, since this is a very critical thing and you don't want to spoil your laptop. So this is how you remove the hard disk. This board, you see the connections are similar as well. So we need to remove this part from the hard disk and tie it on the SSD. At this point of time I forgot how it was earlier, although I got remembered later. So be careful here at the time of when you are connecting with the cables. Make sure you are again careful, don't push it too hard. You see, you have to push it gently only. There might be a case you are inserting it wrong or the SSD is upside down, so it won't go, just like pen drives when we try to insert in the USB board. So just don't push it too hard. See how gently it got inserted. Now just put it there and tie all the screws. Great. I hope at this point of time you are already having a pen drive with a Windows setup, and it should be a bootable pen drive, because I will show you what will happen when I will just test this SSD. Since it's a new SSD, so it will be a blank and it should not boot. This is the hard disk, and this is the Caddy. We are going to insert this hard disk inside this Caddy, and we will tie that also. You see the ports are correct. This is the way you are going to insert it. Again, I'm again telling you, be careful. Everything you have to do, you have to be careful and be polite to your system, because when a system is open, it's more like a baby, so you have to be careful with that. So this screwdriver and few screws are also available in the Caddy packet. I'm going to open this. There are, I think, 4 screws are there. I have to tie that. Basically it will tie the hard disk, since inside the hard disk there is a rotation system and it make it vibrate. If we will not tie it, it might get loose after some months. This is the way we are going to insert inside the DVD writer port. But before that, let's test the SSD first. What is the exactly speed of that and all. Okay, I forgot one more thing, that first we have to pull out the plastic part of this DVD writer, so that it will be fixed with the Caddy, and once we will insert in the laptop, from outside it will not feel like anything is missing in the laptop. Although it will not work, there is a button which we press and the optical drive come out, but it will not work later. Everything is dirty, we need to clean that. Since actually this is a 8-year laptop, I bought it in, I think, 2015, I believe. See, this is how you have to fix it. Right now the configuration of this laptop is it's running with the i3 4th gen 1 TB hard disk, and now there is 250 GB SSD as well, and coupled with 8 GB of RAM. Okay, so we are done with the Caddy, but we will not install the Caddy right now. We need to boot, we need to install the Windows in the SSD. So I will just clean the laptop one more time with the help of blower. I will just keep the back cover on the top of it. I will not tie it, even I will not close the interlocks. It is just for testing. This is the this is how you have to put the battery, and let's see what is going to happen. Charger on, power on, insert boot disk and press any key. See, it's not able to find the bootable device because the SSD is clean and we have not connected the hard drive as well. So this is the point where you need a pen drive with a Windows setup or Ubuntu setup, whatever you like. I've already made it a bootable, so I'm going to press insert a pen drive. I will restart the system, press the ESC key, install the window. It took me around 14 minutes to install this Windows 10 Pro in SSD. If you look at the read write scores. Earlier it was around 90 mbps and now it's 551 mbps. And seriously, the turning on time of this laptop was so good. It took me around 12 seconds only. I'll show you once it's done. Okay. All right. So let's start. Let's see. You see, within 40 seconds, the whole cycle was done. It took me around 12 seconds to start, and within 40 seconds, it was also shut down properly. We will insert the SSD in the same way. We will insert the DVD writer in the same way we pull it out at the time of opening. Here I was struggling with while tying the new DVD writer, so I just lose the connector. That connector was installed from the old DVD writer, so I tied it too tight, so it was not getting fixed. I just made it a little loose. So after losing it, it was able to grab the screw, and it got tied later on. So it might be case with you, or maybe not, because it depends upon the which caddy you are buying, which brand caddy you are buying. Although it was not a big deal, so still I thought to tell you that this might be a case. This took me a while because I was not able to find what is the issue, why it's not getting tired. But later on I find that it was the issue that the issue was with the connector only. It was very tight, so the screw was not able to go through the whole of that caddy connection connector. So let's turn on the laptop again after the hard disk connection. Hardly 12 seconds, man. This is good. Okay, it is not recognizing the disk. to do now? So earlier it was not recognizing the hard disk. I was not sure what is the problem. So I just searched it on the internet why Caddy was not able to connect. Maybe the Caddy was faulty or something, I was thinking. But you won't believe, in on the Google itself it was written you have to restart the system. So I just restarted the system and it started recognizing the Caddy with the hard disk. Let's see. Seriously, it took hardly 12 seconds. 12 seconds, man. So you can see this one is the SSD. These are the local disks of the hard disk. Okay guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So this was the earlier speed at the time of hard disk, and after upgradation this is the speed. You can see there is a massive difference. Since you came so far, so I believe you liked my video, then please hit on the like button, subscribe and share this video to your friends who are in need to upgrade their old systems. Okay, take care, bye.